Hello again everyone, welcome to another guest internet video. We produce a series of videos that inform you how to provide Wi-Fi for a community. And today I'm going to talk about the STAR-4 kit. Now what's the STAR-4 kit? The STAR-4 kit is two products which are installed in a home, and that allows you to connect to a remote central antenna that provides the Wi-Fi service. The central antenna might be a guest internet kit such as the STAR-8 or STAR-15 kit, but what it will have is a wireless access point like this high up on top of the roof in order to have visibility. So in the home we have two parts. One is an antenna receiver which goes on the roof, so this has to be visible to this antenna. So you have to have a line of sight between them, and any obstruction such as a tree or a building is going to block the signal. So you have to be very careful how you install these. You may have to even put a pole in order to put these at a very high point. Okay, so this is called a client premise equipment. It's a wireless receiver. It's got a directional antenna, and you point it towards the central antenna. Okay, this connects with an Ethernet cable like this, and it's powered over the Ethernet cable with a power over Ethernet supply. So that connects us to the central antenna. We get the internet connection through an Ethernet cable, and then that Ethernet cable connects to a wireless router. The Ethernet cable on its own is not going to give us the internet we want, so we connect that to a wireless router, and this provides the Wi-Fi signal for the home. And so anyone in the home is going to get the Wi-Fi signal. Anyone outside the home is not going to get the Wi-Fi signal because the signal is going to be blocked by the walls of the home. So this is for a connection inside the home. You can also connect devices which have an Ethernet cable, maybe a TV or something like that, because there are Ethernet ports on this wireless router as well. So that's the basic setup. We have a lot of documentation that explains how to set up the kit in the home, the STAR-4 kit. We have a lot of information that tells you how to set up a community-wide Wi-Fi system with a central antenna and a number of different homes around. The number of homes that you can connect depends on two things. It depends on the speed of your internet connection, and it depends on the performance of the central antenna. This central antenna, for example, can connect maybe 20 or 25 homes, but we have antennas, wireless access points that can connect maybe 50 or 75 homes, and in fact we can go more than that, maybe 150, 200 homes if you have the internet speed. If you have a Starlink or something like that, you're a little bit limited, maybe maximum 100 homes. Okay, we have a lot of information. Contact us and we'll be very happy to provide the information for you. So please send us a message and we'll be in touch with you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.